Greetings, Earthlings. It is Shaboy, Mr. E, back after a lovely day off. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It is Friday. Fill 'em up, fake 'em out, fire 'em up Friday. Going to run through some charts. We got the Bitcoin to look at. We're going to start it off on the SPX on the weekly. I was looking at this earlier this week. I was hoping to get above this horizontal resistance on the RSI on the weekly chart. We poked our head above there. For the bulls to continue this momentum, it would be in their favor for this to turn to support and continue to the upside. If we zoom into the daily, you can see our bull flag formation is still in effect, but we are hitting some resistance from this descending trend line. Bit of a doji candle today, and we will see what happens. See if this bull flag continues, get above this line, and this $4,200 level would be next level of support to take out. Bitcoin on the weekly, we have a fresh cross on the 21 and the 34 EMA. I have 3 other times this happened highlighted right here. Didn't do this one because it was a bit of a fake out due to the old CVID dump. But you can see here the past 3 times we had a significant run up after this cross. And we just had one recently, except for this one. This is a bit of an outlier, but 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Let's see how this progresses in the future. ADX and DI on the weekly is opening up, looking pretty good. I'd like to get above this 25 level, the white line. That would show some continued bullish strength and trend continuation. Still fighting this $30,000 level. We actually conquered 30,000, but just to get over this general resistance zone. This next level, 32,000 would be really nice to get through for the bulls. Bitcoin dominance, you can see we had a pretty hard rejection from this 48 level a couple days ago, while the total market cap is still heading up. So this is why you are seeing altcoins run temporarily. We'll see if that continues or if Bitcoin will continue to regain dominance. Looking at the Bollinger Band chart, we can see we are pretty clearly coming out of this squeeze. Our width of the Bollinger Bands is kind of resetting, opening back up. So the squeeze is pretty much over and the momentum is still up. We'll see how this plays out in the future. Do have a little bit of a bearish divergence on the MACD. See how this plays out. Stochastics, run through those real quick. Daily is up, 2-day is up, 3-day still up, 4-day up, 5-day sideways, 10-day up, weekly up, 2 weeks up, 3 week is still up, and monthly is up. Bulls are in control on the higher term time frames. You can see if we look at this on the monthly chart, we are about to hit this center Bollinger Band. Could offer some resistance and a retest of these lower levels. Definitely something to keep an eye on. Ethereum coming up to this horizontal resistance right here, this swing low. You can see price came up to it almost exactly, and a bit of a rejection right now. See if we can get it over this level, confirm this as support, as and a breakout of this ascending triangle. Do have some bearish divergence here on the RSI. You can see if we can take out this 86 level. Bit of a tall order right now, but we are talking about Ethereum in the crypto, and anything is possible. Bitcoin on the 4 hour still tracking this up channel. I would expect sometime eventually price to retest this center trend line, kind of revert to the mean of the channel. It has a high chance of doing that. Hard to say when that will happen exactly, but most likely it will happen. Have some bearish divergence on the 4 hour here, and the MACD pointing down, so potential correction is in the cards. Bull flag symmetrical pattern still in effect. Take a look at our triple RSIs. 4 hour is heading up. Daily still trying to conquer this 72 level to negate this divergence. Has not happened yet. Starting to roll over a little bit. And weekly is still up in the 66 level. Slight tick. This has been kind of flipping back and forth almost daily. It's just one to keep an eye on here. It has been peeking its head above the 70 level, and there will definitely be some bears eyeing that up. ADA Bitcoin still have our bullish divergence on the MACD, trying to break this descending trend line. And you can see our RSI is coming out of the 30 level. Cardano bulls would like to see this break. We are coming into some support at this level. We'll see what happens. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mr. E. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. If you like what you see, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. See you tomorrow.